Kamusta, Bin? Bilis nila, no?
Hello.
Hello.
Nasaan ka?
Sa Mount Plaza. Pero sa Japan.
Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. You gotta dream. You gotta protect it. People can't do something themselves. They want to tell you you can't do it. You want something, go get it. Period.
Before I got money, I was in the track kicking dogs. If you want smoke, then we cook niggas up like an omelet. I'm just being honest.
Expect na makapunta ako dito.
If I go to Magic or Onyx, I'm just being honest.
Mount Plaza ka lang tumatambay noon, ah.
I pick up a stick, aim at the heart, pick up a piss, pick up a part. I feel like a pig. All my
Pogi talaga.
with the remarks.
Hindi lang tayo dito para mag-tour. Dito talaga tayo para to get to know the culture, car culture nila dito sa Japan. Soon, or maging isa tayo sa mga nandito, sa mga merong sasakyan na tumatambay dito. So kung hindi nyo alam kung ano yung Daikoku PA, Daikoku PA is yung parang mamplasan nila dito kung saan nag-hold sila ng mga car meet, tambayan nila dito. Meron pa iba, pero ito one of the biggest. Bye bye! Yasminasa! Dito na nagtatapos ang ating Daikoku PA journey. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Bukas na ulit. Bye bye!